Today, we are breaking down a topic that's important for every banker, accountant, business owner, and even job seekers in finance, AML CFT. We will explain what they mean, how they work in the UAE, who enforces them, and why they matter, all in simple language, with real-life UAE examples. So, if you want to protect your business, stay compliant, and understand how UAE fights money laundering and terrorist financing, keep watching till the end. AML CFT explains simply, UAE focus. What is AML? Anti-money laundering, AML, means detecting and reporting suspicious financial transactions to stop criminals from hiding illegal money in the financial system. Example: if a customer suddenly deposits huge cash in a UAE bank with no clear business reason, the bank must investigate and report it. What is CFT? Counter financing of terrorism, CFT, is about stopping money flowing to terrorists, whether the money is legal or illegal. Example: if a UAE money transfer company notices someone sending funds to a region known for terrorism, they must report it immediately. Who enforces AML CFT in the UAE? Government bodies, the central bank, and regulators ensure banks, financial institutions, and certain non-financial businesses comply with AML CFT laws. What are DNFBPs? DNFBPs is equal to designated non-financial businesses and professions that must follow AML CFT rules. In the UAE, these include: they are real estate agents selling or leasing property, auditors, accountants managing client money or company formation, dealers in gold, precious metal stones, like jewelers, law firms handling financial transactions for clients, company service providers, helping set up companies or acting as nominee directors. UAE AML CFT legal framework. Laws like Federal Decree Law 20 of 2018 and Cabinet Decision 10 of 2019 set the rules. Why is AML CFT important? Protects UAE's economy from crime and terrorism, keeps UAE aligned with global standards like FATF, helps businesses avoid fines, losing licenses, and reputational harm.